Well, Lexington's adding 2 new outdoor warning sirens. One will be at Cardinal Run Park North and another near Davis Park behind Artworks at the Carver School. That brings the city's total to 33 sirens across parks and golf courses. Emergency officials say these sirens are designed to alert people outdoors during severe weather, not inside homes or businesses, to stay weather aware. Residents should also sign up for free Lex-Alerts at be-ready-lexingtoncom or use a NOAA weather radio. And don't be alarmed, Lexington Emergency Management will test the full siren system this morning at 10 o'clock, including the 2 new locations.